Building a successful business doesn't mean doing everything alone. In fact, some of the most successful companies in the world grew faster because of strategic partnerships. Partnerships allow businesses to combine strengths, expand their reach, and unlock opportunities that might take years to achieve on their own. If you're an entrepreneur or business owner, understanding the power of partnerships could dramatically change the speed at which your business grows. So let's talk about why strategic partnerships are so important and how they can help take your business to the next level. First, strategic partnerships allow businesses to expand their network and reach new audiences. Every business has its own customer base. When you partner with another business that serves a similar audience, both companies gain access to a new pool of potential customers. For example, imagine a tax professional partnering with a business consultant or a funding company partnering with accountants and real estate professionals. These partnerships allow both sides to refer clients to each other, creating a win-win situation. Instead of constantly searching for new customers alone, you're now benefiting from trusted referrals within a network. Second, partnerships help businesses grow faster by sharing resources. Starting and growing a business can be expensive. Marketing, technology, staffing, and operations all require time and investment. When businesses collaborate, they can share knowledge, tools, and connections that help everyone move forward faster. Sometimes one partner has strong marketing skills while the other has strong financial expertise. When those strengths combine, both businesses benefit. Strategic partnerships allow you to leverage strengths instead of trying to master everything yourself. Third, partnerships build credibility and trust. When two reputable businesses work together, it strengthens their reputation. Customers often feel more confident working with a company that has trusted partners and strong relationships in its industry. Think about it this way. If someone you trust recommends a service or company, you're much more likely to consider it. Strategic partnerships create that same dynamic in business. They allow your reputation to grow through association and collaboration. Fourth, partnerships create new revenue opportunities. Many businesses earn additional income simply by referring clients to trusted partners. This could be through referral agreements, commissions, or collaborative projects. Instead of leaving opportunities on the table, partnerships allow businesses to monetize the connections and relationships they already have. In other words, your network becomes an asset. And finally, strategic partnerships help businesses stay competitive in a changing market. Markets evolve quickly, technology changes, customer expectations shift, and new competitors enter the industry every day. Businesses that try to operate in isolation often struggle to keep up. But companies that collaborate and form strong partnerships are able to adapt faster because they have more insight, more resources, and more opportunities coming their way. Strategic partnerships create a powerful ecosystem where businesses support each other's growth. So if you're a business owner today, here's a question worth asking. Who could you partner with that complements your business? Who already serves the same audience you serve? And how could working together create value for both sides? Because the truth is, the businesses that grow the fastest are rarely doing it alone. They're building networks, they're creating partnerships, and they're leveraging relationships to unlock bigger opportunities. If you start thinking strategically about partnerships, you might discover that the next level of growth for your business isn't just about working harder. It might be about working together. We love to partner with you here at Cube Capital TV. For more info, click the partnership link in description